Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You're on Google now. Start by choosing whether you want a quick zoom or a permanent font size change. Once decided, open the browser menu, 3 dots or hamburger icon, and navigate to Settings. If you want an immediate, page-level change, use Ctrl++ or Ctrl+- CMD on Mac. If you prefer a persistent change, go into Browser Settings to find Appearance or Fonts. Make sure you know which browser you're using, because the next steps differ slightly. You'll now make the detailed adjustment. In Chrome Open Settings, choose Appearance, then Font Size and pick a larger option or click Customize Fonts to pick an exact pixel size. Once done in Firefox, go to Options, Language and Appearance, then Fonts and Size and set the preferred size. In Edge or Safari, find Appearance or Advanced and change Default Fonts. After changing, reload Google.com to confirm. These settings alter site text without affecting layout drastically. It's the persistent fix. Finish by reloading Google and running a few searches to confirm sizes look right. If you need per site control, install a simple user style extension and set rules for Google.com. That lets you change font family and size precisely. If your changes don't appear, clear the cache and restart the browser, and make sure no other extension is overriding styles. A quick troubleshooting tip: disable extensions temporarily. If text updates, re-enable them one by one to find the conflict.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.